Are you cleaning up, Hammy? Now you have hair again. Hamlet, can you say hi to the camera? Say hi, camera. Hammy. Hammy, look at me. Are you too busy cleaning? Because he makes a mess from his bowl to the water bowl to there. I make a big mess and I have to clean it, Mom. Because it's a big mess and someone has to clean the house. And I take my nose and I clean with the towel. It's a job. Someone has to do it. Hamlet, look, bananas. Say hi. Hey, everybody. I like bananas. Say hi to the camera. Are you cleaning? Okay. Go back to cleaning. Go back to cleaning. Okay.